English language learning. Dive into hypotheticals. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of the English language, discussing hypothetical situations. This involves using conditionals to express possibilities and imagine different scenarios. Let's take our English conversation skills to the next level. Conditionals are sentences with two clauses, an if clause and a mon clause, where the main clause depends on the condition of the if clause. For example, if it rains, if clause, we will stay at home, main clause. Remember, there are 4 types of conditionals in English: 0, first, second, and third. Today, we're focusing on the second and third conditionals as they are the ones most commonly used for discussing hypothetical situations. The second conditional is used to talk about unreal, unlikely, or hypothetical situations in the present or future. The structure is if plus simple past, would plus verb. For example, if I won the lottery, unreal condition, I would buy a house, hypothetical result. The third conditional is used to imagine a different past. It discusses a hypothetical situation that did not happen, and its possible result. The structure is if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied harder, unreal past condition, I would have passed the exam, hypothetical result. Now, let's see how we use these conditionals in everyday conversations. Scenario 1. Planning a weekend getaway. Person A. If it were sunny this weekend, where would you go? Person B. If it were sunny, I would probably go to the beach. Scenario 2. Reflecting on a past event. Person A. If you had arrived earlier, what would you have done? Person B. If I had arrived earlier, I would have helped you prepare the dinner. Practicing hypothetical situations can make your English more vibrant and expressive. It allows you to discuss not just what is, but what could be or what might have been. Keep practicing these scenarios, and you'll master the use of conditionals in no time. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your destination. Happy learning!